Oh, why is it raining? Okay. Oh, where am I? What? Who the heck is this? It's raining. Oh. Okay, Mother Nature, chill. I got kidnapped. Chill. I'm trying to jump off here. No. What is it? What the Indian mode? Corny, I know, guys. Ugh. Rain. What are you gonna do, Mother Nature? Yeah, I'm not scared of you. What are you gonna do? 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 Gonna do something? Exactly. Yeah, no offense to you all, but whoever lives in a different state, this might sucks. Right? Why am I saying no offense? Sorry, corny. My first time making a video. That's I probably am. Yep. Well, guess I'm a minute long video. I know you guys probably clicked off or yeah. If you guys still here, please stay big like and please my goal is to reach 50 subscribers. Okay, after that I'll start making my mom will buy me a new camera so I can make better videos for you guys. Like this. But better. Like making gaming videos, Roblox, Minecraft, all those videos. So please give us the videos big thumbs up and subscribe right there. And make it gray. Thank you guys.